The questions presented to us: can we evict resident for a non-payment, especially in connection with assisted living waiver program? And that one is, we cannot speak for them, but what is the ALWs really designed for? They were put in place to make sure that there is an alternative for a long stay at a skilled nursing home or at hospital in a home-like environment that would be able to provide them with the services that residents need. And with that, what is important to know is that the assisted living waiver funds, when the person goes to the hospital or skilled nursing, they are disenrolled from the program. If they return back to your facility, they will be re-enrolled. But that money is for the services provided that's billed at the end of the month. However, resident is responsible to pay for their own room and board. And most of the clients, residents, will be doing that at the beginning of the month. So if their SSI income, of course, after retaining the personal needs allowance as governed by those regulations, for this year, 2024, it was $1,575.07, and the amount payable for basic services, meaning room and board, is $1,418.07. So how can you evict that resident? You can evict the resident according to our regulations. Always fall back on regulations, which is 87224A1 to 5. But it states clearly, and I will just let you know, that resident may be evicted for failure to comply with his or her admission agreement. And part of that admission agreement, you have non-payment of the rate for basic services within 10 days of the due date. That's in the regulations. However, with the eviction notices, you will need to clearly describe and use the exact eviction language that is included in that document. So that's pretty much what you need to follow up in order in those kind of situations.